Hi everyone, welcome to Twin Mommy Cooking Channel. Today's recipe is chocolate cake. I'll tell you what are the ingredients to make chocolate cake. The ingredients are 1/4 cup of curd, 1/4 cup of oil, 1 cup of maida, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a tablespoon of baking soda. This is 1/4 cup of dairy milk chocolate which has been powdered and 1/4 cup of milk. Next I will tell you the steps how to do chocolate cake. So first we'll have to sieve all the dry ingredients. So I am adding 1 cup of maida. To it I am adding 1 cup of powdered sugar. To this I am adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Next I am adding half a tablespoon of baking soda. And this is powdered chocolate, 1 dairy milk chocolate which was powder. I am adding that as well. So we need to sieve it well. We need to sieve all these ingredients, and this is how the dry ingredients have to be sieved and kept it separately. So I have sieved the mixture. This is the dry mixture. We'll keep the dry mixture aside now. So now we'll have to take the wet ingredients and make that ready. So first I'm adding the oil. To this oil I'm adding the curd. And then we'll be adding the milk. We can add it little by little. So I'm just adding half the milk now, and the other half I will add it while mixing. So now we need to mix this nicely. For mixing, I will be using a mixer so that the mixing will happen really fast. So all the wet ingredients, what I had kept it, I'm pouring it in this. To this, I'll be adding my dry mixture which I have here, little by little. So around half I'll add and grind it, and then I'll add the other half. See, I have added the wet mixture completely and half of the dry mixture. I've put it in the mixie. Now we'll have to grind this. Now I've added the other half of the mixture, and this is the last bit of oil which I have. So I'm putting, the milk, I'm putting that milk as well. And now we'll have to grind this mixture to get a batter consistency. See, I have grinded the mixture and you have got this batter consistency. This kind of batter consistency is what is required. It's very easy. You can use a mixer and get all the ingredients mixed very well. If you use your hand, it would take a lot of time. So this is a very simple and easy method. You can use the mixer grinder to just grind all the mixture, and within 5 minutes it will be ready. See, you can see you got this clear batter consistency. I've taken a vessel. This has been greased with maida. Now to this vessel I am adding my cake mixture. So you need to just tap this vessel so that if there is any air bubbles, it will go out. Okay, I have now kept it in the oven and I have set it for 50 minutes for 180 degrees Celsius in convection mode. It has to bake. The cake is now removed from the oven. So you can take a stick or a knife and try to put it in this and check. See, if it doesn't, nothing sticks to the knife or to a small toothpick, that means the cake is well baked. Okay, now we need to allow this cake to cool for about half an hour, and then we'll put it onto a plate. It is now cooled and it is ready. So you can see the chocolate cake. It is really yummy and tasty. Please do like and subscribe for Twin Mommy Cooking channel for more yummy recipes. Thank you all for watching.